Chapter 4 Common Insects. Read on. Insects are tiny creatures seen crawling and flying around. All insects have some things in common. The bodies of all insects are divided into three parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. Insects usually have large eyes on their heads. They have feelers on their heads that help them to find out more about their surroundings. A fact: insects use their feelers to pick up smells and taste. All insects have 6 legs. Some insects have 2 pairs of wings. The legs and wings are fixed to the thorax. Insects have tiny holes called spiracles on their abdomen. They breathe through them. Social insects. Some insects like ants and bees live in colonies. They are social and have division of labor. Ants. Ants live in a nest that has a network of tunnels. Each nest or colony has a queen ant whose job is to lay eggs. The worker ants collect and store food and feed the larvae that hatch out of eggs. Soldier ants protect the colony and the queen. Bees. Bees live in a group. Their nest is called a hive that is made of wax. Hives have many small cells that are shaped like a hexagon. There is a single queen bee that just lays eggs. The eggs are sealed inside the cells till they hatch into larvae. The worker bees collect nectar from flowers in the hive. They change this nectar into honey. The worker bees look after the larvae. A fact: worker bees keep the hive cool by fanning it with their wings. Life cycle of a butterfly. Butterflies are amongst the most beautiful insects. The eggs hatch into tiny things born like larvae or caterpillars. The caterpillar spends all its time eating leaves. It grows bigger and further. After a few days, a caterpillar builds a case around itself called a cocoon. It is made from a thread that comes out of the caterpillar's body. A fact: moths look like butterflies, but they usually fly at night. They are attracted by bright light. They keep their wings flat. A caterpillar goes to sleep inside the cocoon. At this stage, it is called pupa. Gradually, the caterpillar changes from a pupa into a butterfly inside the cocoon. When the butterfly is ready to come out the cocoon splits open and the butterfly comes out. Harmful effects of insects. Some insects are harmful. Weevils are tiny brown insects that eat up stored grains. Locusts live in large swarms and damage crops. Silverfish spoil books and eat up paper. Moths make holes in woolen cloths and silk cloths as they eat them up. Head lice live in hair of human body. They cause itching. Houseflies pick up germs when they sit on rubbish. The germs get onto food when the flies sit on it. When we eat disinfected food, it causes serious illness. Mosquitoes lay eggs on stagnant water. Some mosquitoes that bite can cause diseases like dengue, malaria, and chikungunya. We can prevent insects from harming us in the following ways. Do not allow water to collect in puddles, empty bottles, tins, room coolers. This will prevent mosquitoes from breeding. Keep the surroundings of the house clean. Spray insect repellents to kill harmful insects. Fix wire mesh on the doors and windows to keep insects out of the house. Quick recall: all insects have 3 body parts: head, thorax and abdomen. Insects have feelers and 6 legs. Insects like ants and bees are social in nature. The life cycle of a butterfly consists of egg, caterpillar, cocoon, pupa, and adult butterfly. Some insects like locusts, moth, and lice are harmful to us. New words. Insects, tiny creatures with head, thorax, and abdomen having 6 legs. Spiracles, tiny holes of the abdomen of insects used for breathing.